I was using this Chicago Electric portable bandsaw for another job, and it started giving me a little bit of trouble. The band came off of its wheels, and I've been having this problem every now and again, and I decided this time I would actually go and try to figure out what it was that was causing this problem. So I started by taking out the 4 screws that hold on the cover for the bandsaw. And if you look over here, once these wheels start wearing out a little bit, the band will come off the wheel and start cutting through the case. So I took off these 4 screws, and here's that wheel, and I noticed that there's a lot of play in here. So I figured that maybe there was something here that could be tightened, or maybe it was a bushing that was worn out. But then, upon closer inspection, so then I noticed that the inside, there's a little bit of play on that bushing, but it looks like the whole mechanism is kind of moving a little bit. You see there's a little bit of wear on this bushing, but not a lot. And then over here, these screws completely blew my brain. These screws actually that control the tightening mechanism, or the hold down the tightening mechanism, are actually loose. They actually backed out. They backed only like hand tight. So this thing was letting this plate move back and forth a little bit, which is letting this move back and forth a little bit, which was letting this band rock back and forth inside the chassis here. I'm just gonna put some thread locker on here and tighten these things back down. They're gonna have to be a little bit loose. Oh no, not even. Look at this. They don't even need to be loose because they have a flange washer on here. What's this called? Flange bearing? Flange washer? Nice. I wasn't sure these bushings were going to be long enough, but they are. So these are super tight now, and the guy still turns, so that's good. And this guy still has a little bit of play. It's not great. It might press out that bearing at some point if it's still a problem, and replace it. I guess I should probably thread lock this too.